Nielsen is looking at cross-platform in, I think, a more complex way than a lot of people are. And I think that's important because it's difficult to get a consistent and comparable measure across a lot of different platforms, a lot of different devices, and that's critically important to be able to provide our clients with the ability to monetize their content in whatever platform they want. Lots of agencies and advertisers are asking for integrated multi-screen campaigns. And so when Nielsen looks at cross-platform, we're looking at all of the layers that go into cross-platform as well as the components within each of those layers. So if you start at the basic, the usage, is someone watching something in real time live, or is it delayed through time shifting? Then if you start saying, well, what kind of content is it? Well, it could be audio, it could be video, it could be text. All of those things can go into an integrated campaign. What device is it being seen on? So is it on a TV? Is it on a connected TV? Is it on a laptop or a mobile device? All of those things play into it. Then you've got sort of the delivery method. Is someone watching a TV? Do they turn on a TV set, or they turn on the radio, or are they viewing or listening through a episodic player in a web browser, or through an app on a mobile device? And then finally, the ad model itself. Is it a linear model where you've got television content with the full ad load being shown on TV within 3 days, or on digital after it's been aired and broadcast? Or are you seeing something that is being viewed through a dynamic ad model where you've got dynamic insertion on the basis of the behavioral retargeting that you're getting versus what I'm getting, and we're not even seeing the same ads? So to be able to evaluate all of that is very complex, and that's where Nielsen is sort of focused.
And do you think that the legacy players, sort of the broadcasters and programmers in television, who are, I guess right now, the most challenged by this multi-platform world in that their content is being consumed so much on other devices, are they ready to ingest this new data to then be able to actually sell against it and deliver the more integrated packages, or are they sort of getting there slowly?
I think they're hungry for it. I think actually they want to take advantage of the distributed platforms and get credit for the content that they're developing. And I think that's the issue, is that the measure has not been comparable across platforms. So if, for example, I've created some content and I want to be able to say the value of this content exists beyond television, broadcast television, what are the platforms or devices that it's being consumed on? I want to be able to measure that, and I want to be able to contribute it to the rating that I've got for that program. That's what we're able to do now.